Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review of Bell & Howell's TACTiCAL LiGHTER. It's made by Emerson and Bell & Howell, so it's different than the Italian lighter. Obviously, this one, it'll look weird if you slip this one in your pocket. This one's more of a compact pocket size, obviously. And no, it's not the Italian lighter, and no, it's not made by the same people. This one's from Bell & Howell and Emerson. This one's made by Bobhead. Yeah, Bobhead. So, Italian lighter, Bobhead, TACTiCAL lighter, Edison. Or Emerson. So, yeah, two different companies right there. So it says 4 LED power indicator, no fuel, no flame, wind and water resistant. Wind resistant maybe, water resistant I highly doubt it, and I'm not going to do any water tests, because if you're smart, you know water conducts electricity, and I'm not going to electrocute myself. So yeah, I'm not going to get a glass of water and say, hey, let me sit there in the water. Nope, I ain't going to do that. Battery was no batteries needed. USB rechargeable, great for barbecue grills. So okay. I don't know how good you can see it here, but because it's still in the shiny package, but it says 4 LED power indicator, which is located somewhere on the side next to the USB charging port, which it doesn't mention that. It says power button, protective cover for the power button, but you also get